everybody, it's your favorite tech trainer, Bren Brewer, and now that we've created our landing page, we're going to head on over to Smart Plans, and we're going to get a smart plan to follow up with our open house attendees, and we're going to put a trigger on that smart plan so that we can start it automatically. So let's get started. All right, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to go into agent.kw.com, agent.kw.com, and log into Command. Once you're in Command, you're going to click on Smart Plans on the left-hand side. That's the fourth applet down, Smart Plans. Once you're inside of Smart Plans, you're going to click on Library. Once you've done that, you're going to scroll down to the section that says Keller Williams, and you're going to click on the arrows on the right side of your screen to scroll through all the Smart Plans that are Keller's Smart Plans. When you get to the open house follow-up, you're going to click on Add Smart Plan, and this smart plan requires downloading of 2 other smart plans, so we're going to click on Download next to those, and then we're going to click on Download next to the open house smart plan. So now I have all 3 of those smart plans. We go back to Smart Plans, My Smart Plans, and we can search that. It should be your first one that comes up here. I have my open house follow-up smart plan right here. But if you don't see it, you can type in open house in your search bar and it should pull up for you. Now we want to edit that real quick. So I'm going to click on the pencil on the right hand side, and then I'm going to add a trigger event, and I'm going to select my tags. I have an open house tag, I believe. Yes. And I'm going to use that as my trigger. If you don't have that, you can go create your trigger in your settings section, and you can also use any trigger you want. Now this smart plan also uses Twilio as well, and that's going to send out some automatic text messages. So stay tuned at the end of this video. I will show you how to where to sign up for Twilio and how to create a contact tag. So now that we have our smart plan, we want to make sure it says everything that we want it to say. And in the text messaging part, it says, "Hey, contact first name. Thanks for coming by. What did you think of the open house?" Well, I want to make sure and introduce myself. So I'm going to change this text a little bit. I'm going to say, "Hey, this is Bren with Keller Williams." Change that to a capital T. "Thanks for coming by. What did you think of the open house?" And that looks good for me. And then it's going to delay 1 day. And then it's going to send an email task. So it's basically a task that's telling me, send this person an email that it was nice to meet them at the open house. So you're going to have to go create that email and send that email to them. Then it's going to wait 2 more days. It's going to tell you to call them, then wait 3 more days and send another text message. And it says hi, and it's going to have their contact information. And I'm going to say, "This is Bren with Keller Williams." And I might even put my last name. And I'm going to say, "I have a few open houses coming up that I think you would be interested in. Would you like for me to send you a list?" And wait 4 more days, send you a phone call, 3 more days, a text message. "How are you doing? Just wanted to check in with you to see if you're available tomorrow. I had a showing appointment canceled, so I have an opening in my schedule." So perfect. And so just go through here, make sure this sounds like you would say it, especially in those text messages. And then when this smart plan is over, it's going to add this to the long-term nurture plan. So I like this. I'm going to go back and put my last name in that first text message just because I like to be a little bit more formal with people I don't know as well. And I have my contact tag trigger, and I'm going to click save. Now, the only other thing you need to do is go to your phone. When you're at the open house, you can go to your phone and add the open house tag to the contact as soon as you get them in your phone. And I'm going to show you that right now. You can do it in your phone, or you can do it inside of actual Command. Let me show you. So when a lead comes in, it's going to have an L next to it like that. And then all you're going to do is click on Edit. And you can do this in the phone or in the app. You can type in the lead source as open house. And then the tags here, I'm just going to type open house. And you can see now, once I save that, a smart plan started over here. It started automatically. I didn't even have to go start it. So my open house follow-up, it's going to start this smart plan, and there you go. Now, stay tuned because I'm going to show you how to create a contact tag and where Twilio is. So let's do that right now. I'm going to click on my name in the upper right hand corner. I'm going to click on settings. And if I want to sign up for Twilio, I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom, and where it says Twilio, I'm going to click on this button here. And I think yours probably says go to the marketplace or something like that. So follow the instructions here and get you a phone number for Twilio messaging, right? And that's so you can send text messages through command. To do a contact tag, you're going to click on Command Settings, Contacts, Contact Tags, Contact Tags, and then you're going to click on Create Tag, type in the tag that you want, and then click the color you want the tag to be, and then click Create. I already have this tag in there, but you can see the process. I hope that helps. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and don't forget to use your landing page for your sign-in sheet so that the people go directly into command, and then you can tag them with Open House and start that smart plan automatic.